Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. In today's video, I'll show you how to align product page buttons side by side on Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left side, click the online store button. The themes page will open. Find your current theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu will appear. Select Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In the Filter Files box, search for base.cas. You'll see a file named base.cas. Click it to open your store's appearance script. This code controls your entire store's look. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the end, you'll see a blank line. Skip 2 lines after it. Now we'll access host2b.net. The link's in the description with the code we'll use. Just click the button to copy the code. After clicking, the code will be copied. Back in Shopify, paste the code in the blank line we left. Pasting this code is enough to place product buttons side by side. Now, on the top right, click the Save button. Done. It's saved. On your store's product page, buttons are now side by side. This works for computers only. On phones, it'll be too small. On mobile, buttons stack correctly. On desktop, they're side by side. Hope this video helped. Bye.